Hey guys, let's see today how to make stickers on iPhone iOS 17. So for that, just go to photo section and now just try to select any photo which you want to create stickers on that. So let me select this one. Yeah, so I have selected this photo. Now I want to convert into a sticker, so just press on hold and you can see add stickers and just good to go, and now automatically it has been created a sticker. So this way you can create a sticker, and also if you want to send this a sticker to your contact list, anyone, just go to here. Let me example, I want to select to my dad. Here you can just go and you can just tap on plus icon and you can just select stickers and you can see over here. Yeah, this one you can send to someone. If you want to remove, you can remove easily, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.